Guys, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, okay? Yeah, let's get it going because the wind could come up. Okay, you know what I'd like to do, John? I'd like to pull the truck forward about 10 feet.
35 minutes.
Okay, let's get going, you guys. Look at that smile. Despain's got a smile on him like possum sucking to a screen door. Huh? Yeah. It's calm here now. God, maybe we got Acative's luck for once. Oh, here, let me do it, you guys. Oh, 354. Paper towels? Lots of them both in that bag right there, in that box. We all belong to the church in search of the immaculate motorcycle. You can be a deacon for $1,000. Oh, man. Let's get the motor started.
What's the plan?
We're going to go down. I'm going to turn it around, put it on the starting line, and we're going back.
Okay.
With everyone who matters looking on, including the competition, Chris Carr takes his shot at the history book.
Through the truck, I'm jimmying my joysticks to get the thing up and balanced up to about 25 miles an hour. When I feel comfortable, I got the bike balanced, I'll hit my rocket launchers, which bring the skids up on the bike. Tow up to about 50 miles an hour. I release the tow rope. The truck gets out of the way, and then I hit my gunner and put the thing in first gear, and I start to take my time getting up speed through first gear, pressing an accelerator with the right foot, getting the thing up to speed, getting it comfortable, happy. The top of first gear, I'm generally going wide open. Hit my gunner again and go in second gear. Run second gear out, being about 220 mile an hour. Click it again, third gear. Run that out, it's about 299, 300 miles an hour, right in that range. Fourth gear, flat out to the 5 mile marker. Accelerating hard as I can through the 6, that's the timed mile.
So, Streamliner en route. For the record, speed out of the mile. 346.937. And speed through the mile for the 7 Streamliner. 346.937.
No shoot.
5-3, no shoots out.
No shoot, come on.
Roger that.
Hurtling across the Bonneville Salt with no parachute, rookie land speed record racer Chris Carr stays cool. There's another chute, but if he pulls it too early, going too fast, it too will blow away, and then he will have trouble. The second chute pops right on schedule. Carr handling the situation with the aplomb of the 34-year racing veteran he is. Now, at an age when his peers contemplate retirement, Carr has taken on a new challenge, Bonneville. And now it's time to give him the good news.
346. Average roughly 350, right at 350.
That's cool.
Nice job, man.
Thanks. That ranks right up there with Peoria 20 years ago. They're both out there, Chris.
You are now the world record holder, bud. Good job.
In the kilo, we averaged 351, and in the mile, we averaged 350.
Oh,
congratulations.
wow.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations, Dad.
I love you. I love you so much.
Oh,
Well,
man.
you better go meet the man.
Yes.
350 average.
Yeah, 350 and a little change.
Oh, man.
be the first over 350.
Yeah.
Fastest man on 2 wheels.
You little fart, you did it!
We did it. We did it.
Ah.
I love you.
Now, what do you think that was, Despain?
How many years did that take?
Oh, so I'm a slow learner.
That's got to feel pretty good.
Oh, God, it's just so refreshing. It's fantastic. I mean, to come out here, Sambo hasn't run yet, though. Okay, we're going through the same little routine that they did yesterday. I mean, this couldn't be written better, could it?
Why don't we let you go celebrate?
Yeah, I got to. Okay, thank you. Oh, man.
Really good. Sorry to put you through all this.
I'm glad you did.
Chris, how emotional is it right now for you with your family?
This is special. I mean, Dave was here 20 years ago in Peoria, and it's starting to sink in now. And this isn't something that I grew up and dreamed to do. But damn, I'm glad Dennis Manning put a press release looking for somebody to ride this thing, and I'm glad I got the job because I can't describe the feeling I have right now. I give a lot of credit to the guys that have done this for so many years because I'm a rookie at this, and I'm fortunate. I got in the right bike at the right time, and you know, this may last 4 hours and somebody else breaks it, but ain't nobody in the world faster than me right now, today, right now. No,
We're getting the number. Read it off.
It ain't pretty, but there you go, bud.
350.884 two-way average. Wow.
What a remarkable guy. You know, he's made 8 passes now, and he's the fastest man on the planet on 2 wheels. That boy knows how to ride a motorcycle.